Martonis' story is quite simply miraculous. He's clearly in need of medical attention. He's turned up this morning 19 days after the tsunami struck, and we're among the first to see him since then.
Indomie yang anyok-anyok ah. Yang anyok-anyok ah. What he find when he find the noodle that is bringing by water. Oh, they eat that noodle.
We took him to save the children. He was checked over.
We have to find out whether he has any injuries or whatever.
Martonis has been living on his wits. Now he seemed bewildered. He appeared to be tiring, perhaps as a result of the relief he feels. Finally, he knew for certain he was in good hands.
We'll give you a bath, right? We'll wash you with water.
They wanted to clean him and take him to hospital.
He'll need to be kept very warm because he's a candidate for hypothermia. Okay, there you are.
They give him new clothes to keep him warm, but the big worry is malaria.
I can clean you. The mosquitoes have been breeding.